Hey beautiful, welcome back. I have another DIY inspired wall art. So if you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here's a list of the items you'll need. I started off by measuring the center of the pizza pan and marking it with a circle. I took the mirror that I'll be using in place and just traced around it to make sure that I have space for that mirror. Once I had my circle in place, it was time to put on my coins. So I took a little bit of heat glue as well as the E6000 and placed on the back of the coin and put it in place on the pizza pan. Continued to repeat this process until I had the first layer down and all coins were in place. Next, it was time to start on the second layer, and I placed the coins in the middle of two coins on the first layer and just continued around until I had the second layer completed. We're almost there. Fourth layer, here we come. Once the fourth layer was completed, I just went in and began to fill in the empty spaces. What you want to do is take a coin and put a little bit at the tip and then place it on the outside and start to fill that until you have that completed as well. Once this was completed, I then took the heat gun and melted the strings from the glue. Now it was time for paint. I started off with the satin nickel Rust-Oleum metallic finish. I realized I really did not like that color, and it just didn't work for what I was trying to do with this piece. So So I took the copper and painted over top of the satin nickel. Just to show you guys what it looked like with the camera on top of it, that actually turned out very beautiful, and it was more of what I was looking for. So now I let that dry about, I want to say 5 hours. It was time to install the mirror. I took a standard mirror that I already had in my house and just reused it for this project. And I placed the E6000 on the back of the mirror and put the mirror in place. I let it dry for a full day before I went to hang it up. Once it was dry, I took my 2 command strips, snapped them together, and peeled one part of it and put it on the back of the pizza pan. Voila guys, there it is. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Shout out again to Trisha J for the Inspired Wall DIY project. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys will follow me. And if you have time, please stop and look at my last video. Bye guys.